Hi, Karuna.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also good.
Where are you from?
I am from Jamshedpur.
Hey, that's cool. That's a beautiful city and actually a very clean one. I have been to
Yes, yes.
Jamshedpur and I was really impressed by the cleanliness.
Okay, so you have been there.
Yes, I have.
Okay, okay, that's
And
great.
are you living in Jamshedpur right now?
Yeah, I born and brought up in Jamshedpur itself, and I am living with my parents.
Okay, so have you been here? Not there, here, because
Yes,
you are there
yeah,
right
yeah, yes.
now. Okay,
Yes.
so what are you
So,
doing on Clap and Go?
so I want to be fluent. I want to learn this language. So I want to be fluent. So
But you
that's
are
why.
already fluent. I mean, the way you explain everything to me,
Yeah, but I
it's very
want to
fluent.
learn. I want to learn in advanced way.
Wow,
Sometimes I
advanced.
make mistakes. So yeah.
Well,
But
you know
you are
what?
looking so beautiful. Earlier I met to you and now you are looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you for that lovely compliment.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm distracted.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, Miss Karuna, my major concern is that you don't learn the advanced English. You walk towards it and you let it do the magic on your skin. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the thing. Okay, it's not some like some Mishran, some goal that is ready for you. Okay, drink this potion. Advanced English is on your way. Okay, now walking towards advanced English is a journey in its own. All right, it's going to be very tough, boring, and repetitive. That's the thing. Okay, so what do you do to keep yourself entertained? Now, that is the challenge. All right, now I would suggest you, if you really want to walk towards advanced English, um, download apps and solve grammar exercises left, right, and center. All right.
Okay.
Left, right, just don't stop doing that. Secondly, idioms. Bring idioms into your usage, no matter what. Okay. You can start with color idioms, with travel idioms. You hit topic by topic. Okay. That
Okay.
way, for example, what is a white elephant? You know what a white elephant is?
No.
Okay. So something which is really expensive to maintain. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you say they are white. For example, okay, another example. I have beaten you blue and black.
No, I don't know.
No, it means to beat someone. Okay. I have made you, not beat you. I turned him blue and black. It means that you boxed him.
Okay.
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 Yeah. To turn red.
So become very furious. Become
Exactly.
furious. Okay.
Yes. A green signal.
Green signal means be ready.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. She gave
Yeah.
me a green signal. So I was ready. To become green. Yes.
Envious.
Yes.
Yeah.
Jealous. So see, you already know there that
Something I know.
some things you know. Okay, no problem. I'll help you to get all the things. No, I'm kidding. Even I don't know all the things.
Yeah,
Even I'm
that's
learning
fine.
it.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also there is this site called learnenglish.britishcouncil.in. Register yourself and learn English for free from there. All
Okay.
right. Yes,
Okay.
learnenglish.britishcouncil.in. I think that should help you to kind of elevate yourself. Okay.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay, so Miss Karuna, now that we have cleared everything up, I would like you to do some exercises with me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So imagine you have purchased a vacuum cleaner. All right.
Okay.
And now, after 2 uses, it has died. It is not working. You have to write an email to the company asking for a refund or an exchange. What are you going to write?
Okay. So that email, I would write that email in formal way.
Hmm.
Okay. So first is two, and the next is the sales manager, I
Okay.
guess. Sales manager. Then the in next line, I would write the name of the company and the address. No, sorry. It is
Mail.
email.
It's a
It is
mail.
email. Yeah. Sorry. I was shifted to application. Okay. So, dear sir, that like the field, whatever field,
Yeah, to the manager, to the
yeah,
manager.
manager. Yeah.
This is to
So
inform you. Go on.
this is to inform you that I had bought this vacuum cleaner, and the date and the day,
I
everything
have
I
purchased. Purchased.
I have purchased this vacuum cleaner from this shop, and the date and everything I will mention there. And after the two uses, it is not working. So please, so kindly refund my money.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. That is too short.
Hello.
Okay, you are
Hello.
complaining. Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you?
Yeah.
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 So
Yeah. Now I can hear you.
yeah. So your mail was kind of a little short and it was incomplete. All right. This is to inform you that I purchased this vacuum cleaner from your company or from your online market, online store, and only after two uses it broke down. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you further move on that it broke down. So I need, since it is still in its warranty period, could you please exchange it for a newer one or whatever? Send a repairman or something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a pataka going on? Is that a pataka?
Yes. Some crackers are
Yeah,
going.
same here, same here. It's pathetic. It's pathetic. Yesterday, I was not able to speak even a single sentence because of the constant put going on. Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, coming back to your thing, all right, you go on like this. Okay. Then
Okay.
you include the receipt that this is my receipt. This is an online copy of
And
the receipt.
yeah,
And
and I
thank
will
you.
attach the pics also. Pics
Fix.
also I will pic.
Yeah, okay. Attach it. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll ask you questions based on this vacuum. Be as descriptive as possible. Okay.
Yeah.
In which color did you purchase? What was the color of the vacuum cleaner?
So it was in black color.
Hmm. Uh, Okay. How much did you pay for the vacuum cleaner?
So it was rupees 4,000.
It was for rupees 4,000.
It was for rupees 4,000.
Okay. Okay. Could you imagine a little bit and add something to this detail? Probably a discount, probably a coupon that you won somewhere, a scratch card.
Okay, so I had bought that vacuum cleaner on a Diwali sale. So so I the cost of that vacuum cleaner was 4,500 something, and after discounted, it cost was 4,010.
Okay, good attempt. Good attempt. This is what I mean by being descriptive. Yes, you made a couple of mistakes here and there, but I let it go because of like 10 on 10 for attempt. Okay. Yes, that's how you increase the language. You imagine scenarios. Okay. I bought it during the Diwali sale. So I got a cashback or there was an offer. And so I got a 10% or a 20% off on the original price. Hence, it costed me so much. All right, after discount. So that's how you increase the vocabulary. There is absolutely no other way. If your imagination is dead, then God only can help you to increase. Okay. Okay. Um, on whose recommendation did you purchase this model?
Okay, so one of my friends, she had purchased earlier, and she gave me feedback about this vacuum cleaner of your company. So I also saw the how that vacuum cleaner works. So then
Hmm,
only I thought to purchase this vacuum cleaner,
same model. Okay.
same model. Yeah.
Good. Good attempt. Okay. So Karuna, with you, I have felt there is like you need a lot of brushing up. Your basic language is ready, your pronunciation is fine. Okay, I do not have any problem with your pronunciation. I really don't have any problem with your intonation, your voice mid modulation, your beautiful voice, by the way. It's a very soothing voice. God has given you a soothing voice. Okay.
Okay.
The only thing is that you have to rigorously brush up your knowledge and you don't have to stop. Even if you're getting bored, even if you're getting bored like hell, you are not going to stop. You are not going to consume anything in Hindi or in your regional language, whatever that is. You are only going to watch everything in English. Okay. Access BBC English and Al Jazeera for formal English. And if you want to brush up on the knowledge of informal English, then Shameless is a very good TV show. Okay.
Oh.
You can get a sense of informal American English from Shameless. And otherwise, the news channels are always there. Follow Anupama Chopra, film companion. I hope you know who she is. Anupama Chopra, film companion.
No, I don't know. I don't have idea.
She's a critic. She critiques mostly Hindi movies, mostly. All right. So listen to her. She's a good non-native speaker of English. Okay. Yeah. So follow film companion Anupama Chopra, BBC English, Al Jazeera, British Council, learnenglish.britishcouncil.in. These are the few things that I really want you to kind of just dissolve yourself in it. Okay. Yeah. With the entire energy and rush. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other issue, trouble, problems?
No, sometimes I make mistake, but at the time I also sometimes I correct whatever mistakes I made earlier, and so these are the issue.
These are little issues that you're facing.
Yeah.
Okay. I think, what do you do? Like what is that you're studying or what you're working as?
Okay, so as profession, I'm a teacher, and I teach in primary school.
So all subjects. Is
Yeah.
it an English medium school or a Hindi medium school?
Yeah, it is CBSE school.
It's a CBSE school. Okay. So primary CBSE, this is a thankfully you're in a very light curriculum, and I think it must be online these days. Okay.
Yeah, nowadays we are taking online classes.
Can I assume that you have a lot of spare time left in your hand compared to what you must be going through earlier?
Yeah, because sorry, I could not get you.
Compared to what you must be going through pre-corona, now you must be having a lot of time in hand, right?
Yeah, I have lots of time, but nowadays we are going to school in regular.
The schools have reopened.
Yeah, schools have reopened. Children are not coming, but we are going to school and we are conducting classes from there only. So that's why. Yes.
Okay, so okay. And how many hours do you have to dedicate?
6 hours.
6 hours?
Yes, 6 hours.
My goodness. I thought that at primary level you are dedicating 6 hours.
Yeah, that is like school timing. Whatever school timing we had, same we are spending nowadays.
Yeah, but online, okay. At least the ones that I thought that 3 hours, max to max 4 hours, but 6 hours is too much online. Your eyes must be bleeding after that, isn't it? Staring at the
online
screen.
Classes, we are taking only 3 classes we are taking, and rest of the times we are spending in school only. So that I am saying the total time period is.
Okay, yeah. I was just talking about the classes, the number of classes that you're in.
Yeah, number of classes, only 3 classes, 40 minutes classes are there.
Then a lot of time in school as well.
Yes.
Can you use your mobile during that time? Or some book?
Sometime, book also.
Okay, then The Art of Thinking Clearly. If you have a little bit of time, I would like you to read this book. It's a good self-help book, and the language is not informal, yet it is it's not a loose language. Okay, just because the words that are used it's in spoken form. The language used in the book is in spoken form, yet not completely informal. So I think you will get a good flush of words.
Yeah.
Try to do that. The Art of Thinking Clearly by Rolf Dubelli. This is the name.
The Art of Thinking
Clearly.
That Art of Thinking Clearly. Okay.
By Rolf Dubelli. And I have noticed this, that self-help books have a way of spoken English. Don't read The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F, by Mark Manson. You must have seen that book floating around. It's an orange colored book, and it's very famous for a self-help book. That's a quite a famous book. But I would suggest please don't read that. It's like as if the author is trying to shout and scream at us. So yeah, because generally I've seen people who are learning English, they go for self-help books like anything. Yeah, that is one thing. Like they go for cryptocurrency books, they go for money making books, they go for all these books. So it's quite famous. So pick your books correctly, okay? So that you are not, yeah, that would be my thing. Anything else for your vocab or for your words that I can help you with?
No, I have vocab. I sometimes I learn some vocab, but whenever whenever we speak, so that time it never comes. It never comes.
Yeah, that's the
Sometimes
thing
it comes.
because
Sometimes it comes, but sometimes
yeah,
like very small word, very
yeah,
simple word, very simple word, very yeah, that doesn't come.
yeah, that's because you are not using it in the same context that it was used in which you would have learned. For example, you came across new word like thinking, all right? Or
Mm.
yeah, let's say wearing, all right? You came across this word called wearing, all right? To wear.
Yeah.
Okay, now I am wearing a perfume. You thought that if we put some perfume on, okay, some person said, I'm not wearing a perfume right now. Okay, now for you, wearing only meant wearing apparels, wearing clothes. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm not wearing any perfume. So the context changed.
Mm.
Okay, so you have to use it in the same context to make a relationship with the word. Maybe this trick helps you to retain the word. All right. Because English is a tricky language. The word change their meaning according to the context. Okay. One wearing is physically, I'm drawing myself into something. And one wearing is just, I'm just applying something on my face. Okay. So make sure that the context is learned along with the vocabulary or the word, and then your vocab bank will be ready. Okay. Yeah, then you will be able to relate it. Oh, I heard this word in that context. It is the same context, so I can make sense of